Hey guys, welcome again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your images to videos by using Pika AI. So first of all, let me show you how you can actually do it. So first of all, let's open your Chrome browser. So you can see here, I have already searched here Pika AI. Simply scroll down and you can see this pika.art. This is the actual website. Click on it. Once you click on this, you can see this is the interface. You will have to log in or sign up to Pika AI account if you are using this first time. I have already logged in here, so that's why it did not ask me again to log in. So here you can see it has various options like inspiration, Pika effects, library, and many more like Pika twists, selfies, Pika frames, Pika swaps, Pika citizens, and many more. So suppose you have to convert your video into no. Suppose if you have to convert your image into video, then what you have to do is simply describe a story. Like suppose I'm going to add a man driving motorcycle. Let uh, let me create a video of create a video of this image image man driving or riding a bike. Okay, then let me select the image here. Is this the image or not? This is a long time. Let me open the pictures, guys. Let me open the recent things here. Okay, I'm using my downloads option here. Last month, not earlier this month. I want earlier this month. Wait, what is that today? 4/7/27. No, not this, not this, not this as well. This would be the image. No, yeah, guys, this is also not the image. Okay, let me take it from Google. Save image. What to suppose I'm naming it a man. Save. Okay, now let's go inside Pika and go again in our gallery. Here you can see the image. Open this. Now search. Okay, it will take some time. I guess as you can see here, high demand right now. That's why it is taking time. But you can upgrade for faster regenerations. Let's see how much time it takes. It is supposed to generate 25% of our work is almost done. Now let's open this video. Okay, our work is done, guys. Let's see this video. Let's download this so that we can watch this clearly. As you can see, the quality is not that good because we are using a free version of that Pika. But if you upgrade that, you can definitely generate a better video quality videos. So yeah, this was the video. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.